Hello students, today we are going to discuss one important aspect of cell biology, that is the endomembrane system. In the previous classes we have discussed that eukaryotic cells are a compartment of compartments comprising of so many number of compartments within the cell, like your endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuole, lysosome and so on. But question arises, this endomembrane system, endo means within the cell, there is a system of interconnected network of or interchangeable network of membranes. As we will see, they constitute the endomembrane system. So, let us have a look at this. Eukaryotic cells, as I told you, they are fundamentally different from prokaryotes, having important organelle, that is nucleus. Besides that, other internal membrane bound organelles are as we discussed, they are the chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and so on. As the beginner, as you are the very new to this cell biology, study of cells, their structure and function, in the school level you might have come across certain organelles, certain terms in Odia, but here as we are progressing towards details of cell biology, right, we must gradually understand the concept. Understanding the concept is very important. So, now this one, the endoplasmic reticulum, endo means within, plasm means protoplasm, and if we leave aside the nucleus, the liquid content or the matrix in between the cell membrane, that is plasma membrane and nucleus, whatever remains, that is your cytoplasm. So, in the cytoplasm there is an extensive network of membrane, that is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endo means within, plasm means cytoplasm. So, reticulum means network, jalika. So, good membranous jalika, it is a continuous network, it is existing in the eukaryotic cells. So, this was discovered in 1945. If we see, nucleus was discovered long back, but why? Even chloroplast was discovered before, but why this endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome were discovered towards the mid of 20th century. 1945 मसीह endoplasmic reticulum आसिला, but it was discovered later in 1955 the lysosome, जहाँ को आमे suicidal bag of the cell कहउछंदी. These things were discovered towards the mid of 20th century. The reason being, they are so thin, they are so small, cannot be seen easily under light microscope. Only powerful electron microscopes could reveal the structure of this. So, it is the development of electron microscope and its application to the cellular structures revealed these endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi and so many things. But Golgi was discovered, we will see, in 1898, 50 years before, but much was not known about this. So, only after 1950 a lot of things were known about Golgi complex. So, now I may say endoplasmic nuclear envelope, as previously we have studied, nuclear envelope consists of one inner membrane and outer membrane. So, outer membrane is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. So, the nuclear envelope is in continuation with endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum will see it give rise to Golgi complex, and Golgi gives rise to lysosome, and several lysosomes they remain within the cell, and many membranous structures called vesicles they go and fuse with the plasma membrane. Therefore, these membranous structures, as they are interconnected, even though they are not interconnected by physically, but they form a system structurally. In terms of membrane dynamics, they are interconnected. That is why it is called endomembrane system. Hope you will come across such things. Now, this is a computer generated model of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. This is a cut away view. आमे जमती काकुड़ी की ता भितर मंजी देखिया पई हेले आमे ताकू काटुछंती डिफरेंट वेज रे वी कैन कट इट. एमती काटी परिबा और लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल देन ट्रांसवर्सली तान 1/4 नै कि मध्य आउ 3/4 थाई आमे ताकू काटी की देखै परिबा. सिमिलरली डिफरेंट वेज आर देयर टू एक्सप्लेन दिस. सो एटा केनते कटा जाई ट्रांसवर्सली. Otherwise, you see it is a continuous structure. It is a continuous structure. So, endoplasmic reticulum is a continuous sheet of membranes, but morphologically देखिए गले तीन प्रकार structures are seen therein. One, it is your cisterna. You can see here somewhere there might be cisterna, cisterni plural. How can we imagine these structures? How can we imagine? If we take a balloon, से balloon रे छिट balloon सब बॉबी प्रिंट गोल गोल प्रिंट है कलर्ड balloon टे से प्रिंट है व्हाइट balloon एंड रेड डॉट्स आर देयर. आमे सेटा को balloon टारे एयर फुल करके तापर ताको क्लोज कर देले एंड लेट इट बी कंटिन्यूअस वन. देन वी फ्लैटेंड दिस. So now balloon is a continuous structure. Balloon is a continuous. So the membrane of the balloon is this one. आमे membrane रो जो balloon टा एटा this one, this much thick. This is a continuous structure. This is a continuous structure. So या भितरे जो रही compartment, balloon भितरे जो air रहिला, that is a compartment. Then membrane, then outer environment. Similarly, we have to think of the three things because these things are seen under electron microscope well, and people draw these structures through computers. But how can we understand these endoplasmic reticulum? So to make you understand, I told you if you take a balloon filled with air, compress this, make a flat structure like this, then this is a continuous structure. Similarly, the endoplasmic reticulum is a continuous structure, and at times there are tubular structures arising from that. तम देखि थिबो गोटे गोटे ए साप शेपर बेलून आसे एवं ता आमे ताकू जदि से सापर शेपर बेलून लंबा बेलून को आमे एमते मोड़ी दियंती अगिलारू सेठो गोटे गोल स्ट्रक्चर टे हेजिवो. इवन अटा गुळा जो बना हुए आमे जदि ता अगिलारू गोटे गुळा करिया पे चाहूचंदी रोल टारू गोटे गुळा करिया पे चाहूचंदी आमे तो पिंच कर दियंती. ओके. So what I mean to say, why I gave you such examples? So endoplasmic reticulum consists of three things, but three sorts of membranes. Membranous structures. One is cisterna, the flat structures, and the tubular structures, the tubules. Tube miniature form, very narrow diameter tubes are tubules, and when these tubules pinch up, they give rise to a vesicle. आमे गुपचुप देखिछन गुपचुप जो छणा हिची ता भितरटा एयर अछि आ बाहरटा तार मटेरियल अछि बा चोपाटे अछि. Similarly, a vesicle is a spherical structure. It is sealed one. And inside that it is having its own content, not air. Here it has certain contents. Now you can see these are the cisternae and these are the vesicle like structures cut longitudinally, and from the side and from the tip these vesicles are coming. Okay. So, endoplasmic reticulum consists of three morphological forms of membranes, but they are continuous, cisternae, and then tubule, and from these the vesicles bud up. But now, basing on the attachment of ribosomes, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So, this is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. These dots are the ribosomes, but the portion of the endoplasmic reticulum without attached ribosomes is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The surface is smooth, but the surface is rough. So, that is why this is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this portion is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, RER and SER, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But you must take up note of this. As I told you, this balloon divides the space into two, the outer space and the space within filled with air. Similarly, the compartment enclosed by endoplasmic reticulum is called lumen. It is called lumen. So, lumen is very different from that of the cytosol, So, endoplasmic reticulum membrane ta cytoplasm ro compartment को दी भाग रे विभक्त करूची, ता भितरटा होची कुहा जाय lumen, internalized compartment, internal compartment, and the outer one is the cytosol, cytoplasmic face. Okay. So, this is regarding. Then rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulums are continuous. These rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes attached to these. What they do? They do the protein synthesis. So, we will be coming across in the further classes that ribosomes are meant for protein synthesis. Their ribosomes are protein synthesizing factories. So, they synthesize proteins. So, when ribosomes are in two forms in the cytosol, either they remain soluble in the cytoplasm or they are attached to the outer face of the endoplasmic reticulum. So, here the ribosomes attached to the endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein. These proteins are internalized. Once they are synthesized side by side, they enter this lumen. In a nutshell, I can say you ribosomes attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, that means rough endoplasmic reticulum, carry out protein synthesis. These proteins should go out of the cell, extracellular traffic, or they go to the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane रे आमे पढ़िछंती जे integral membrane proteins are there. So, integral membrane proteins of the plasma membrane are synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Insulin that is synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum, and then they are packaged into these vesicles, and these vesicles they go further through a traffic and ultimately deliver their content, pour their contents to outside, as a result of which they travel in the blood. So, now smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are continuous and interchangeable. ए राइबोसोम गुड़ा बर्तमान लगी आउ जदि से प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस काम सरीगला से एठू भी रिलीज हो जाए, दे विल बी रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम दिस फेस. सो अगेन इट कैन बी स्मूथ. Okay, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulums are interchangeable depending on the function. Then question arises, how much membrane or smooth endoplasmic reticulum and how much rough endoplasmic reticulum? Usually in the cells more of rough endoplasmic reticulum and less of smooth endoplasmic reticulum are there, but it depends on the function of the cell. If I say pancreatic acinar cells जो माने कि इंसुलिन तैयारी करुछंती, they have much of this rough endoplasmic reticulum, आम आसीबा ता पाखु. but smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are devoid of the ribosomes and they are more developed. They are more developed especially in certain structures, certain glands, because you see synthesis of steroid hormones, steroid, lipid, steroid, सब स्नेहसार जातीय जिते मॉलिक्यूल्स ए स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रे तैयारी हुए। तो सेथिपई स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज एक्सटेंसिवली डेवलप्ड, हाईली डेवलप्ड इन सेल्स दैट स्पेशलाइज्ड इन लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म। जो माने स्नेहसार तैयारी करंती, जो ऑर्गन माने बा जो स्ट्रक्चर माने सेही स्ट्रक्चर मानकर सेल रे लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म होची। तेणु करी स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रो proportion amount as compared to rough endoplasmic reticulum is more. Examples are the steroid hormones in endocrine glands like testis, ovary and adrenal glands. ये तीनटा ग्लैंड आम ह्यूमन सिस्टम रा पढ़ी, टेस्टिस, ओवरी एंड एड्रेनल ग्लैंड्स, जोठी की स्टीरोइडल हार्मोन्स तैयारी हुए एंड दिस ग्लैंड सेल्स हैव मोर ऑफ स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। देन सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, this is endoplasmic reticulum present in the skeletal muscles of animals. So there we know for muscle contraction calcium and ATP are must. Calcium and ATP are must. Remember, these skeletal muscles are very much rich in mitochondria and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum they store calcium in them and when needed they release out of तामाने स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रो ल्यूमेन भितर कैल्शियम स्टोर होई कि रहे and as and when needed they are released to the outside. So sarcoplasmic reticulum, that is endoplasmic reticulum of skeletal and cardiac muscle cells, they store calcium ions, release these for regulation of muscle contraction. Next we will see that how they do the functions, and we know we animals, we humans, we mammals store carbohydrate in the form of glycogen, plants store in the form of mandada, starch, animals store this thing in the form of glycogen, but question arises where they are stored. Now especially we will see in the liver cells, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum stores on their outer face the glycogen granules. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum in hepatocytes carry out detoxification, because anything we eat plenty of alcohol in the form of medicine, or if we are alcoholic then we take plenty of alcohol, but alcohol goes to the stomach, then it is absorbed immediately. Whatever absorption takes place from the gut, it first goes to the liver. Liver is a port. जेमिति कि विदेश रु कौन सी जिनिस आसिले सी पोर्ट हो बा एयरपोर्ट हो सेटे जांच करा हुए। सिमिलरली आमे जहाँ खाऊछंती से अब्जॉर्प्शन हैला, डाइजेशन है कि अब्जॉर्प्शन हैला परे लिवर रे प्रथम पहुँचे। सो लिवर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू आइदर ए सी पोर्ट और एयरपोर्ट व्हेयर the scrutiny takes place. Scrutiny takes place when alcohol, which is not a substance of our body, then alcohol is detoxified. Alcohol is toxic, सेटा को less harmful product रे convert करा जाए. Okay. And second is barbiturates will coming across. So barbiturates are chemicals, they are detoxified in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of hepato, that is liver cells. Liver cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is necessary for that. In plants आमे जते ऑयल सीड्स देखुछन, बादाम मंजी हो, सनफ्लावर मंजी हो, जते सब ऑयल सीड्स जो माने स्नेह सार स्टोर करंती, हाउ दे स्टोर दिस मच? Scientists have studied that the cotyledons, बीजपत्र of sunflower or mustard or coconut endosperm जो नड़िया आमे खाउछंती, तार सेल भितरे endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lots of oils. So we can say smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for lipid and lipidal substances, and they are abundant in these organs. Next come to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. There is a caption, gote taku माने कौन हेडिंग्स दिखाई इट मैन्युफैक्चर प्रोटीन्स फॉर एक्सपोर्ट आई टोल्ड यू इंसुलिन कोठे तैयारी होची ना रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रे तैयारी होची ओके रूट गोटे रूटटा कौन करुच्ची ना माटी रे तलकू जाऊँगी बट आगरे गोड़ी पड़ुची बाली पड़ुची सुखिला पड़ुची बा ड्राइनेस अच्छी सॉइल रे बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ एवरीथिंग द रूट पेनिट्रेट्स डीप इन द सॉइल सो इते गोटे इते निश्चय कथा जे रूट while penetrating the root soil it produces a mucilage like substance लालुआ substance टे तैयारी करची as a result of which it lubricates the path ahead okay lubricates the path ahead ताले आगरे जो माटी बा सुखालिया जिनस पड़ी से जगार ताकू ओदा करी 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 कौन करची जाउची so the kind of substance produced by the root apical cells okay and they produce a mucilage ba mucigel it is gel like substance mucigel so what I mean to say they are the root apex cells they are abundant in this rough endoplasmic reticulum and they secrete the mucigel so the structures whether root cells or pancreas or liver wherever you go secretion by ksharana is the main function of that in these cells rough endoplasmic reticulum is abundant scientist माने जत्ते बेले rough endoplasmic reticulum रो फोटो नबा पई चाहुछंती से माने सीधा आम लिवर सेल्स को सॉरी पैनक्रियाटिक सेल्स को पैनक्रियास रो सेल्स नै कि ताकू सेक्शन करी कि तापरे नौछंती कोन फोटोग्राफी करुछंती इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपिक व्यू नौछंती बिकॉज दे नो इन दीज organelles like rough endoplasmic reticulum are plentifully available so it will be without fail rough endoplasmic reticulum must be got therein so now rough endoplasmic reticulum is abundant and engaged in secretion insulin secretory cells producing and further salivary gland cells we know these salivary gland cells present they produce saliva and there we can get these rough endoplasmic reticulum infantry. Next we come to our Golgi. I told you Camillo Golgi who discovered this Golgi complex in 1898 he found this structure in the nerve cells from cerebellum of rat in 1898 but he received a Nobel Prize in 1906. Let us come to the structure what this is. The Golgi apparatus consists of 6 to 8 flattened membranous sacs called cisternae. Cisternae is a structure it is a membranous structure remember membranous structure आमे जदि गोटे बेलून को बड़ बेलूनटा को नियंती ताकू चापी दियंती एतिक थिकनेस हुए एवं ताकू एंत कर्व करी दियंती कर्व्ड इमेजिन सो गोटे ताठो आउ गोटे छोटो ताठो आउ गोटे छोटो ताठो आउ गोटे छोटो एमती कंसेंट्रिकली अरेंज्ड 1 2 3 so 5 to 6 concentrically arranged membranous sacs form the Golgi complex. So cisternae along with certain vesicles nearby them they give rise to the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex. So cisternae and vesicles are two important structures. In the next slide we will see that cisternae and vesicles they constitute this Golgi complex. They are curved cisternae and the thickness of these cisternae is 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter and they are arranged concentrically giving the Golgi a stacked appearance. Golgi complex has a distinct polarity, a convex C space and a concave transpace. We can understand this from the diagram. I will explain what these are. Okay, this is a cell computer generated and this one is the Golgi. So this is computer generated and this is almost a photograph. Okay, you see the structures here, they are curved like this. So this face is concave face, this face is convex face. So likewise, so many number of concentrically arranged cisternae are there. So this face is your convex face and this face is your concave face, and they are distinct structures, they are not physically connected, Then how they are connected? Thing is, vesicles arising from this, then it join to this, then it join to this, then it join to this. Likewise, the content of one cisterna in the form of vesicles is brought up, then it joins to the next. Then you see here, this cisterna is now forming a vesicle, this vesicle will join this. Likewise, the contents of the first cisterna goes to the second one through a vesicle. So vesicles are the transporting structures, they transport contents of one to the other. Okay, this is the means. Now I can say you this face which is towards the nucleus. Remember, a face ta convex face ta usually epote thae endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus, and this face is convex face, this face is your concave face, these are the cisternae and these are the vesicles. So this is a computer generated model, right? And एटा को कहते cis face, cis माने cis and trans, cis माने same side, trans means opposite side. ए पटटा this faces to the endoplasmic reticulum side and this faces to the plasma membrane, plasma a potassium plasma membrane, and the direction of movement is shown in the form of a black arrow. Tamane what is transported? Air, liquid, what else? No, proteins, lipids are transported. ये जो vesicle टा हमें कहउछंती यार boundary टा होची lipid bilayer, boundary is lipid bilayer, and the dots you can see, these are proteins, कोठु आसिला से protein ना, these proteins are synthesized, they are in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, तैयारी की it is internalized, that means it comes to the lumen of the cisterna, then certain modifications takes place, these proteins are modified to certain extent in the endoplasmic reticulum, they come to the tubular structures, tubules, and the tubules they pinch up to form vesicles. What is the destination of these vesicles? एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रु जो वेसिकल मैंने बाहरती से माने कुआड़े जाती ना, से माने आसिकी गोल्गी ठेई मिशंती. एठी देखो प्रोटीन कैरिंग वेसिकल्स, ता माने दीज वेसिकल्स कैरी प्रोटीन्स फ्रॉम द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड मर्ज विथ द गोल्गी apparatus. ता माने ए रंगटा को तुम देखि परिबो पिंक कलर, से प्रोटीन गुड़ा ब्लूइश कलर बा ग्रीनिश कलर देखैछि. ए माने एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रासिकी कहा सहित मिशुछन? गोल्गी सहित. गोल्गी रो जो फास्ट सिस्टरना सहित मिशुछंती. देन फ्रॉम द फास्ट सिस्टरना तांकर किछि चेंजेस होउछि, दे गो टू द सेकंड वन. यू कैन सी ए ब्लू कलर गुड़ा वर्तमान धीरे धीरे चेंज है कि रेडिश बा अदर कलर हो गलानी. त माने दिस स्पीक्स दे आर केमिकली अल्टर्ड. सो द गोल्गी apparatus is a factory, it is a factory where modification of proteins formed earlier in the endoplasmic reticulum takes place. So proteins की एंजाइम्स माने ए सिस्टरना भितरे थिबा भितरे एंजाइम माने कोन करंती ना, कार्बोहाइड्रेट बा शॉर्ट ओलिगोसैकेराइड सब ऐड करंती वन बाय वन, मोनोसैकेराइड्स ऐड करके ताकू कोन करंती ओलिगोसैकेराइड ऐड करंती. सो प्रोटीन्स आर केमिकली मॉडिफाइड टू ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स. ओके, सो यार काम हला मॉडिफिकेशन. ओके, देन आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन व्हाट एल्स हैपन ना, जो ट्रांस गोल्गी नेटवर्क व्हिच लुक्स लाइक a convex face, a concave face here, because these are the vesicles, but this is the concave face. So here these vesicles have now the modified proteins for them. तेणुक जो vesicles माने पुणी जो ट्रांस गोल्गी नेटवर्क रु तैयारी होचंदी से माने कुआडे जानती, where they go. Listen, এই जो vesicle may fuse with go and fuse with the plasma membrane. For example, এইটা যদি insulin producing cell हुए, sorry, एथरे insulin हाँ total insulin producing cell हुए, आगो सेटा रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रे तैयारी हैला, then it came to a vesicle packaged in a vesicle. That vesicle comes to this site Golgi. In the Golgi it is packaged and then destination it is going to the plasma membrane. It fuses with the plasma membrane and the contents are poured, ढाली दिया गला कोठी की ना to outer side. From there it mixes with the blood. Similar is the case everywhere. Okay. Now so basic एठे ताले कौन होची ना मॉडिफिकेशन होची. देन सॉर्टिंग माने आमे जेमती आम गाँव रु चिट्ठी जाऊँगी गोटे पोस्टाल बैग रे 50टा सहर को से चिट्ठी से अच्छी किंतु आमे एठो जाऊँगी आमर आउ गोटे जगह को माने नेक्स्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस किंतु गोटे बड़ पोस्ट ऑफिस टी गला बेलू सब डिविजन लेवल से सॉर्टिंग होची. सॉर्टिंग तामाने सेठो से माने देखुचंदी एई बैगटा जीव धरंतु कटक अलग करदे, भुवनेश्वर अलग करदे एंड मालकानगिरी अलग करदे और जो गुड़ा दिल्ली जीव दिल्ली अलग करदे ताल सॉर्टिंग कर दियाला. सॉर्टिंग करिकी ताकू पैकिंग करा होची. ओके कोउथि पई ना शिपिंग से जदि बाहर को जिबार अछि ताकू बैग रे करिकी से तरह एड्रेस लिखि दउछन. सिमिलरली ए वेसिकल्स गुड़ा सब देखिबा पई समान आमे लागुछंदी ए जो कोन सेडा कहंती आमे जो खाउछन गुपचुप भळ्या इन द वेसिकल और स्ट्रक्चर, बट these are not simple because they are lipid molecules. It is a lipid bilayer, but here the address is written. एथरे address लिखा है. यार destination whether it will remain within the cell to act as a lysosome. जदि या भितरे हाइड्रोलाइटिक एंजाइम्स स्टोर हेतिबो ताले या भितर रहिबो, it will remain as internal structure. जदि एटार ऊपर address लिखा हेतिबो, this will go and fuse with the plasma membrane and deliver its contents. So traffic, intracellular traffic, a cell भितर traffic ए थ्रू वेसिकल बाहर की भितर रही पारे or it may go and fuse the plasma membrane. We will see it in subsequent diagrams. Now, so function of a Golgi apparatus is manufacture of carbohydrate, modification of proteins to glycoproteins, then packaging, shipping of macromolecules of cells towards different directions. So the transport vesicles carrying proteins and carbohydrates from rough endoplasmic reticulum fuse, deliver their contents to cistern in the C space of Golgi. Then as lipids and proteins move through the medial cisternae, glycosylation. This is a chemical modification. Glyco means sugar. So this is addition of sugar to protein. So proteins are modified here in the medial cisterna. Then lipids are also modified to glycolipids. The Golgi complex, as the name suggests, it is a very complex organelle in terms of function. So it synthesizes cells most complex polysaccharides like pectin and hemicellulose in case of plants, because we know pectin is used in the middle lamella. The cell synthesize this. Hemicellulose, they also synthesized, these are also synthesized in the cells. So Golgi complexes in plants, they are called as dictyosomes, because in plants these cisternae are little bit apart, but in animal system they are very close. So that is why it is called Golgi complex by Golgi apparatus in case of animal cells, but in plants it is usually called dictyosomes. But nowadays these two terms are not used, only one term, that is Golgi complex, both in plants and animals are used. Okay. So this difference in function is not there. As the modified molecules reach the transphase of the Golgi network, then sorting occurs. Sorting means which will go to which direction. If at all these are enzymes, hydrolytic enzymes, they will be put in one vesicle, and that vesicle must have the address that it will remain within the cell, as a lysosome. So sorting is important and the vesicles have their own address. Now finally I can say from rough endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi, then to intracellular compartment or within the cell it remain, or it will go to outside, it will go to outside. So this is a traffic. The cell has a traffic system. आमे क्लास आरंभ रे किछि जानि नथिले, किंतु आफ्टर 35 minutes of our deliberation or our discussion we came to certain concept that within the cell membranes act as vesicles, they act as bags, small bags, and what is in that bag? आमे जदि सब कमोडिटी देखुचंदी सब बैग रे सेटा अटा कि मैदा कि सिमेई कि चीनी सब लेखा होची. Similarly address in these vesicles look very similar, they are small ones, but the address is written not in terms of ABCD, it is in terms of chemicals, biomolecules. These biomolecules will direct whether they will go and fuse with the plasma membrane or they remain. But here I can say, you see, one thing it is written, either it goes to the plasma membrane for secretion or remain intracellular as primary lysosome. This diagram hope you can understand well. So this is the nucleus, this part is nucleolus, this is chromatin jalika, okay, by chromatin network. The outer envelope of nucleus is continuous with this endoplasmic reticulum. These yellow dots, Y-shaped structures, these are antibodies. Nowadays at least you must be listening from media, from TV, that our body, whose body is more immunologically strong, they are better to fight this coronavirus. That means these antibodies are produced in the cells. So B cells will coming in the zoology, but there are B cells. So these B cells, if this is at all a B cell, this is its nucleus, this is endoplasmic reticulum, rough one, they are synthesized by these ribosomes. Once they are synthesized, they are within the lumen of this. So एठू मार्क करो, एठू गोटे ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर वर्तमान तीनटा एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल, जस्ट सांकेतिक भाषा रे तीनटा एंटीबॉडी एठी पैक हिच. सो एथर गोटे वेसिकल फॉर्मेशन होची. नाउ दिस वेसिकल, द डायरेक्शन यू सी, इट गोज एंड फ्यूजेस टू दिस कन्वेक्स फेस ऑफ Golgi complex, there it fuses and there it is modified. The yellow color becomes the light blue color. That means here I mean to say they are chemically modified because of color change to show you, but they are chemically modified, and then they are in the from the vesicle they go and fuse with this. एटा बर्तन लिखाई इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड मान बाहर सेल बाहर को बर्तमान जाइकी पहुँची, किंतु एई मेम्ब्रेनटा ग्रेजुअली जाइकी कोठे फ्यूज करी जाइची ना प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. बर्तमान दिस वेसिकल once it fuses with this plasma membrane, it becomes part of the plasma membrane. It becomes part of the plasma membrane. ताहले प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रे जदि प्रति मिनिट रे 100टा लेखा वेसिकल फ्यूज करंदी, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन सरफेस एरियाटा समान रहिबो ना बढ़ी जीवो? बढ़ी जीवो. ताने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन because of extracellular secretion increases in surface area, but this doesn't really happen, because in the same way membranes vesicles are also cut off internally. एमती सेथुरु पुणी वेसिकल फॉर्मेशन हुए सेटा भितर को आसे. as a result of which the surface area of plasma membrane of any secretory cell remains almost constant. So a protein is manufactured and exported through the endomembrane system. मु कौन कहितली मूलरू nuclear envelope endoplasmic reticulum, may it be rough or smooth, different forms of morphological forms, then Golgi ro cisterna, then adjoining vesicles, then vesicles go to different directions. सेल भीतर रहिबे और बाहर को जिवे. ओके, एठे वर्तमान एई एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रो जो मेम्ब्रेन से कहार वर्तमान पार्ट हो गला, दैट बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ द plasma membrane. So physically semane interconnected nuhanti, but they are interconnected by vesicles. So vesicles are in transit, eto jai sete misiki tale they have intracellular transport. What? They have intracellular transport, but transport is not haphazard. It has a particular traffic. You have to go according to the signal. Vesicle will go whether it will here fuse with the plasma membrane or it will remain here. एठे जदि instead of antibody जदि एठे lysosomal enzyme pack होइथांता ताले सेटा Golgi complex रु ए सेल भीतर रहिथांता हमें देखिबा. Okay, so now in a simple sentence I can tell you there is a intracellular traffic, and intracellular traffic includes ER, Golgi and plasma membrane, vesicles and the envelope of nucleus. This is endomembrane system. One sentence you must remember always, at least lekhi ki 10 thara padhibi je kono na cell or jete membrane achanti ei endoplasmic reticulum constitute about 60% of the total membrane. जत्ते प्रकार मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी 60% इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एवं ए एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम लिपिड तैयारी करे, प्रोटीन तैयारी करे. आ मेम्ब्रेन गुडा कौन कि दे आर मेड ऑफ लिपिड्स एंड प्रोटीन्स. सो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल मेम्ब्रेन्स. व्हाट? एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल मेम्ब्रेन्स. नेक्स्ट, as I told you, vesicles bud off from this trans-Golgi network. Either they go to plasma membrane for secretion or they remain inside. So this lysosome has its origin. Lysosome has its origin from trans-Golgi network. से जो Golgi रो जो concave face जो network अच्छी network of cisterny convoluted vesicles, they give rise to the trans-Golgi network. से ट्रांसगोल्गी नेटवर्क जो वेसिकल बाहर है से जो एंजाइम थाए एंड दैट गिव्स राइज टू द इज लाइसोसोम और लाइसिस. सो दिस ऑर्गेनेल justifies its name. This was discovered by Christian D. Dubé in 1955. These are very small ones, vesicles, and you can see the size 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. And they are bounded by a single unit membrane. आमे जदि ए जो सिंगल यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन बा 1 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन एंड 2 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन्स आमे जतेबेले क्लोरोप्लास्ट को आसीबा, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को आसीबा, तार सब एनवेलप दीटा मेम्ब्रेन तैयारी, किंतु यार मेम्ब्रेनटा गोटे रे तैयारी. सेथिपेन ताको आमे कहउछन्ती दे आर having 1 unit membrane. It is simply a vesicle. It is bag of enzymes. It is spherical in shape. So this was discovered by D. Dubé in 1955, and for which he was given a Nobel Prize in 1975 in physiology and medicine. So they are found in all animal cells, protists, fungi, but typical lysosomes are absent in animal cells, in higher plant cells. This must be remembered. These are absent in higher plant cells. Okay, सेथिपई आकु मूलरू गोटे कैप्शन दिया है, these are digestive organelle of animal cells. What they carry out? If I explain its contents and its functions, you will be astonished. A small structure carrying diverse functions. You have to understand this. You have to take it well. So they are found in animal cells. Their number varying among animal cells depending on their function. For skeletal muscle cells, it is highly functional. Their death is not the case. So they are very few in number in skeletal muscle cells. But in macrophages, जोटा काम ब्लड सिस्टम रो डिफेंस सिस्टम रे अछंती एमानु कहा जा सेल इटर macrophages. These are the blood cells they eat up large particles like bacteria, because in one form or other bacteria enters our body. Bacteria they which are harmful bacteria, they must be neutralized, they must be defended. Who will defend this? Now cells will do this. So these macrophages are a kind of defense cells in our body, they eat of bacteria, but how they digest the bacteria? Through the lysosomes. So that's why macrophages have very large number of lysosomes. Now let us have the structure of this. This is a single unit membrane, this is a lipid bilayer, and these are the proteins. एथिरे दुईटा प्रोटीन स्पेसिफिकली देखा जाइछि. So proteins in the membrane they work as pumps and channels, carriers. We have discussed in the section that is plasma membrane. Now I can say you this is a bag of enzymes carrying nearly 50 different types of enzymes, 50 different types of enzymes, and they are nucleases, proteases, nucleic acid degrading. एथेर RNAs थिबे, DNAs थिबे, protease मान different protein digesting enzymes थिबे, lipid digesting, phosphate removing, sulfate removing, and different types of enzyme are packed in this. But important thing is that they work at a pH of 5. They work at a pH of 5. 8 लिखा है pH is nearly 5. किंतु ये कोठे भासुची, where these vesicles are suspended? They are suspended in the cytoplasm, where the pH is 7 or 7.2, neutral or slightly alkaline. But in the neutral environment, a vesicle, how it can create one pH that is 5. आमे जदि calculation करंती एई थारु या भितरे ओके 10 to the power 2 100 गुणा 100 times more protons are there. तुम calculate करिवो from chemistry पढ़ा जीवो जे एठे pH अछि 7, 10 to the power -7, एठे 10 to the power -5, 10 to the power -7 टारु 10 to the power -5 टा बड़ो, ताले एठे pH proton रो concentration, hydrogen ion रो concentration is more in comparison to this. Okay, how they create this? तामने मु जो घरे बर्तमान पढ़ाऊँगी से घर टेम्परेचर हूँ 22 किंतु बाहर टेम्परेचर 27. ओके 27 डिग्री एंड दिस इज 22 डिग्री. हाउ इट इज ना बिकॉज ऑफ ए मोटर that is air conditioner, it is working with energy, electrical energy. Similarly here there is ATP utilizing pump, it pumps proton from this. तामने एठी जो प्रोटॉन माने अछंती ताकू एनर्जी खर्च करी या भितर ताकू कंसंट्रेट करा जाउची, या भितर अधिका करा जाउची. सो एज ए रिजल्ट व्हिच प्रोटॉन्स बिकम मोर. व्हेन प्रोटॉन्स आर मोर बिकॉज ऑफ पंपिंग, पॉजिटिव आयन्स अधिका हे गला. सो ताकू न्यूट्रलाइज करिया पई through channels chlorides ions are going. So now this is H plus and Cl minus. So HCl, presence of HCl makes this compartment acidic. So that's why it is acidic compartment and these are acid hydrolases. Remember ओडिया रे कहि दउची एई मेम्ब्रेन टा जदी this if this lysosome burst, lysosome जदी फाटी जाए ताले ए एंजाइम गुडा pH 7 रे आसी जिवे. दे विल कम इन कांटेक्ट विथ pH 7 बट दीज विल नॉट वर्क ओनली इन दिस कंपार्टमेंट वेयर pH इज 5 or below that they will be working there. So now lysosomes, as the name, this is a primary lysosome. Primary एथिपाई they are so named because they are formed just from the trans-Golgi network. Excepting enzyme nothing is there. आउ एंजाइम मानकर काम कौन ना ये एंजाइम माने आउ जहाँ कंटाक्ट आसवे ताकू डाइजेस्ट कर डीएनए को आसिले डीएनए को भांगी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स देन बेस सुगर फॉस्फेट करदे से फॉस्फोलिपिड की भांगी देवे प्रोटीन की भांगी के अमीनो एसिड करदे. सो एमानकर फंक्शन है डाइजेशन. सो क्या डाइजेशन करेंगे आम आसवा. सो दे आर फिल्ड विथ हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स एंड यूज्ड वन्स इन देयर लाइफ टाइम. से एंजाइम माने कौन करती ना ताकू ए प्राइमरी लाइसोसोमटा थरे व्यवहार हो गला परे सेटा नष्ट हो जाए. सेथिपई इट इज वन्स यूज्ड इन देयर लाइफ टाइम when primary lysosome fuses with a food vacuole a secondary lysosome forms. ता माने lysosomes are polyphagic. There is a word poly means many, phagic phage phage means eating. Okay, so they are of different types, primary, secondary and tertiary. So this is primary one, and when this primary lysosome, I will be coming to this, sorry that diagram is not there. Okay, we will be going back. Okay, we have a knowledge of amoeba. Amoeba forms pseudopodia. Amoeba कौन खाए ना, से पानी रे तो रहे, ए मलिया पानी रे, ओके डर्टी वाटर रहे, बट से कौन खाए ना, बैक्टीरिया खाए, ईस्ट खाए. केमती ईस्ट की खाए ना, बाय मीन्स ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ pseudopodia. ता माने तार जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी से कौन करे ना, बैक्टीरिया चारिपटे एनसर्कल करी 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 ताकू इंटरनलाइज कर दी. सो व्हेन the bacterium or yeast or any solid particle is internalized, that is surrounded by membrane, that is called food vacuole. तामने सेटा हला खाद्य. आमे जेंदे खाद्य को भीतर को नेले तार फर्दर एंजाइम द्वारा आमर स्टोमाक एंड इंटेस्टाइन डाइजेशन होची, किंतु एठे ये गोटिए सेल रे गढ़ा किए अमोइबा. अमोइबा सेठे कोन करची, तामने फूड टाकू आनिला बाय मीन्स ऑफ pseudopodia formation, it formed a food vacuole. Then food vacuole तार डेस्टिनेशन होची जो प्राइमरी लाइसोसोम तैयारी ही अछि बैग ऑफ एंजाइम्स, दिस टू फ्यूज टू फॉर्म ए सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम. देयर द फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड एंड द डाइजेस्टेड फूड प्रोटीन भांगी की अमीनो एसिड गला, सेगुडा कोन हबो ना अमेबा सेल भीतर को बाय मीन्स ऑफ पंपिंग पळेला. आउ जहा बळिला आफ्टर डाइजेशन व्हाट एवर लेफ्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेसिडुअल बॉडी. बळी थिबा गोटे छोटो लाइसोसोम ताकू कहीं ऑफनली कॉल्ड टर्शियरी लाइसोसोम और रेसिडुअल बॉडी. So that is how this lysosome works. But let us the important function. I told you intracellular digestion. कही सारे already paramecium हो, amoeba हो, से माने they carry out endocytosis. Okay, phagocytosis is a mechanism. They internalize the food, then digest the same way, and that phenomenon is called intracellular digestion. Then defensive function, you see this Kupffer cells, एटा किए ना फैगोसाइटिक सेल्स ऑफ लिवर. मु कही प्रथम इंट्रोड्यूस कला बेले जे लिवरटा आमर गोटे पोर्ट, सेठे सब खाद्य गुड़ा जांच हुए. जदि से बैक्टेरिया आसी बा कौन सी डेब्री आसी सॉलिड जिनस बट अननोन टू द बॉडी सिस्टम, एंड बॉडी recognizes this as a foreign substance, then ताकू कौन कर ना कुफर सेल्स, ना हूँ कुफर सेल्स. दे आर फैगोसाइटिक इन नेचर. दे engulf these bacteria also. They engulf these bacteria, and the same way they digest this. आउ गोटे फंक्शन हूँ आम पढ़ुंट रेड ब्लड सेल्स. दे हैव ए लाइफ स्पान ऑफ 120 days. रेड ब्लड सेल्स filled with hemoglobin and surrounded by plasma membrane. No internal membrane bound organelles are there. Once they live up to 120 days, their fate is death. Cell death तांकर हबो. एवं सेथरे जते hemoglobin अछि, iron अछि, what happens to that? ना they are recycled. They are recycled. Okay, ताले सेठे कोन होछि ना कुफर सेल्स माने जो एजिंग, जो रेड ब्लड सेल्स मानकर एज हेई गला ताकू से man digest कर दियंती, and they recycle the molecules to they by their lysosome. So lysosomes of the Kupffer cells digest the RBCs by internalization. Next is autophagy. The organelles like mitochondria surrounded by autophagy. Auto means self, self eating, self eating. आमे जदि कौन से गोटे काम करूछंती करू करू का से जिनस भूल हला, आमे गोटे जिनस ते तैयारी करूछंती काठरे कि कौन जिनस तैयारी करूछंती, करू करू का सेटा किछि भूल हला, आमे सेटा पूरा जाली दउछंती ना. इफ इट इज इट कैन बी यूज्ड, आम तो यूज करूछंती. सेमती माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया धरंतु सेटा कौनसी ना कौनसी कारणरू किछि भूल हला एवं नॉन फंक्शनल हे गला, ताले सेल भीतर से जीव कुआडे नो, ताहले से जो डिफंक्ट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया चारिपटे टिके एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इन द मेम्ब्रेन गुड़े देला परे दैट बिकम्स ए फूड वैक्यूल ओके से जो वैक्यूल सराउंडिंग द डिफंक्ट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज ए वेसिकल नाउ ता सहित प्राइमरी लाइसोसोम मिसी जीवो एवं ताकू डाइजेस्ट कर दो सेटा रिसाइकल हेकि पुणी बाहरी जीवो सो इट हैज सेवरल वंडरफुल रोल्स सो स्पर्म पेनिट्रेशन आई डोंट हैव द facility to do here but sperm human sperm consist of a tail as well as a head एवं तुम पढ़ी से हेड रो टिप पोर्शन रे एटा जो हेड हुए अगिलार गोटे आक्रोजोम थिबो आक्रोजोम से आक्रोजोम कौन करे ना व्हेन इट टचेस द एग सेल ह्यूमन एग देन इट पेनेट्रेट्स केमिति पेनेट्रेट करूची ता माने एई जो एग चारिपटे कौन पढ़ी आम जूलोजी रे जोना पेलुसिडा बोली गोटे स्ट्रक्चर थाए दैट इज मेड ऑफ बायोमोलिकुल्स हाउ दिस स्पर्म विल पेनिट्रेट ना या अगिलार एटा जो शेप हेची धरंतु एटा होची हेड रीजन एंड दिस इज योर आक्रोजोम एंड दिस इज द टेल राइट सो दिस आक्रोजोम इन टचिंग द egg it ruptures and the enzymes present there in they digest the membrane structure zona pellucida and they drill the coating and then they penetrate to the egg. So here I can say sperm penetration human sperm to the egg is because of the acrosomal reaction and this is nothing but it carry hydrolytic enzymes. ओके आमे समस्ते बेंगोफुला देखि थिबा बेंगोफुला वर्षा दिने पानी रे दिए एवं से बेंगोफुलारू बेंग हुए किंतु ता पहिला पानी रे से बास करे एवं तार लांज थाए आज दे ग्रो व्हाट हैपेंस टू द टेल रीजन ना टेल इज ऑटोमेटिकल एब्जॉर्ब एमिति न जे टेल एमिति कटि के भासी जाउची बट ग्रेजुअली ड्यूरिंग कोर्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट द टेल इज डाइजेस्टेड it is in the developmental plan of the frog. So there what we see in the tail region the lysosomes present in the tail cells digest the tail region and they bring about the cell death as a result of which gradually the substances present in the cell region is absorbed to the main body region and the tail is lost. So metamorphosis of tadpole to frog involve these lysosome. Now we discussed a lot about the lysosome. So lysosomes have their origin from trans-Golgi network. So endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear envelope, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, lysosome, plasma membrane, they form an interconnected network of membrane through vesicles. So that gives rise to your endomembrane system. Hello students, you are welcome to this digital classroom where we are in the process of teaching learning. Already we have covered up several cell organelles. In the previous lecture or class I spoke largely about the endomembrane system. Towards the end, two important things I told you, they are lysosomes, which is a vesicle. Lysosomes, typical lysosomes are not found in the plant cells, and another thing you might be remembering, that is food vacuole. They are present mostly in protist and in animal cells. If you look at this cell, this is a computer generated model, but this is a original plant cell, parenchyma cell, a leaf cell. आमे सेल को चित्र कले केमती देखा जाउची, but this is the photograph of a cell. You can see एटा गोटे cell and this is the thin cell wall. You can see thin cell wall. एठे cell wall thick नुहे कारण एई सेल टा होची photosynthetic cell, leaf cell. यार काम स्टोरेज नुहे, मेकानिकल फंक्शन नुहे, यार काम फोटोसिंथेसिस करिवो एवं एई वाल देकी एठो जिनस निश्चय बाहर को जीवो. सो हियर as it is a cell which is very much functional metabolically, the wall is very thin. But what you see, what this transparent region, white region, can you guess? It is written vacuole. But here in colored, I have made it colored to make it distinguish. This is vacuole. So this is surrounded membrane, not visible. The membrane is here, it is so thin, it cannot be seen. It is so thin, it cannot be seen. But I have made this plant vacuole. So let me tell you, plant vacuole is called the central vacuole of plant cells. Central vacuole of plant cells. Right? ओडिया रे आकु कहते रसदानी आमे पढ़ी रस कहला माने वाटर निश्चय थी आखु रस से सुगार अच्छी ना सुगार को तुम जिते बड़े पानी रे चीनी की डिजल्व करिवो ना तार कलर देखिपर ना पानी रो कलर देखिपर सो चीनी पानीटा कलरलेस सिमिलरली आई मीन टू से दिस इज ऑल्सो कलरलेस एथिरे पानी अच्छी आउ मेनी सब्सटेंसेस आर डिजल्व्ड इन दिस मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट को आसूची बिकॉज एमती तो पढ़े दो वैक्यूल बट कॉन्सेप्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट मेक्स यू बायोलॉजी अंडरस्टैंड अदरवाइज एमती खाली पढ़े दे गले बायोलॉजी हम ना ओके फर्स्ट थिंग इफ यू लुक एट ए फंक्शनल सेल द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस वैक्यूल is about 70 to 90%. 70 to 90% of the cell volume is occupied by by vacuole. So vacuole occupies major portion of major volume of the cell. Similarly एपट cell रे vacuole तार major area ताहले गोटे plant cell रे majority volume कहा द्वारा परिपूर्ण ना water द्वारा ता माने एटा गोटे cell एथिरे मैक्सिमम वाटर अच्छी माने एठे मोस्टली वाटर एठे सेंत सेल एठे सेल मार्क करो आमे जो पढ़ी इंटर सेलुलार स्पेस एटा गोटे सेल तले गोटे सेल एठे देखो स्पेस अच्छी एठे स्पेस अच्छी सो दीज आर इंटर सेलुलार स्पेस आ सेल गुडा 2 डायमेंशनल नुहे सेल गुडा 3 डायमेंशनल तमे गुटे गोलिया बॉल जदि बॉल को गोटे बास्केट भितर पूरे दियो एवं ता भितर जो गैप गुड़ा रहिबो से बॉल बॉल कांटेक्ट सेल सेल कांटेक्ट ए सेल एपट सेल कांटेक्ट एठे तमे प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा पाइबो ओके बट इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस आर इंटरकनेक्टेड दे आर इंपोर्टेंट ओके बट आमे गोटे 50 वर्ष गोटे मनीष 70 किलो होउची किंतु गोटे 50 वर्ष गछ केते किलो होउची 10 वर्ष गोटे मनीष बढ़ी केतिकी हाइट होची किंतु गछटे केते बढ़ी जाउची व्हाट आई मीन टू से प्लांट्स ग्रो फास्टर दे ग्रो चीप माने सस्तारे बढ़ी जाती माने गोटे एनिमल सेल एतिकी बढ़िया पाई एतिकी वॉल्यूम रो हवा पाई कारण एनिमल सेल रो वैक्यूल नहीं ओके तो एठे साइटोप्लाज्म रो जरूरी एठे प्रोटीन बहुत सारी जिनस दरकार बायोमास दरकार वाटर दरकार किंतु एठे मोस्टली प्लांट सेल्स ग्रो फास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर फील्ड वैक्यूल सो से गछ गुरा क्विक बढ़ी जाती बट आट द सेम रेट एनिमल्स डू नॉट सो वैक्यूल्स enable the plant growth quick at a cheap rate I mean to say. So this is the vacuole and this vacuole is surrounded by membrane and that membrane is called your tonoplast. So membrane along with the vacuolar content that is called cell sap or tonoplasm is total your vacuole and as it stores water in microscopy these are chloroplast but this is vacuole it looks colorless. आखुर एठी कहि रखे आखुर जो आखु रस आमे ता स्टेम को खाउछंती ता चोपा को छड़ौछंती भीतर जहा चोबौछंती सॉफ्ट टिश्यू टा चोबौछंती सेथिरे जो आखु रस स्टोर होची प्रति सेल और वैक्यूल भीतर होची सो इमेजिन काहे कि ताकू रसदानी कहै छी गोटी एग्जांपल कहूची ओके आउ गोटे कथा कहिबी we are excreting on daily basis I am परिश्रा करूछन we are releasing our wastes on daily basis okay frequently we are urinating, through that we are excreting our metabolic wastes, but plant रो सेमती excretory system नहीं, ताले plant रो जो metabolism रो जो waste हुए, ओके, ताले से माने कौन करंदी, ताले तांकर excretory system नहीं, but तांकर waste गुड़ा को यार भीतर store हुए, remember, आमे कहीं के कहंती the vacuoles are called dump yard, जो उठा में dump कर दियंती, पक्के दियंती, vacuole is rightly called the dump yard of the cell, okay, so vacuole, ये जो vacuole कथा कहउछंती, it is the central vacuole of plant cell, central vacuole of plant cell, big cell, sorry, big vacuole. Now, how they originate? Remember, I am पढ़ी गच्छर अगिला रे जो ग्रोइंग टिप थाए तान होची मेरिस्टेम, मेरिस्टेम रे छोटो छोटो वैक्यूल थांती, मेरिस्टेम कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेल्स, सेई प्रति सेल रे छोटो छोटो वैक्यूल थांती, छोटो छोटो वैक्यूल थांती, किंतु सेई सेल रु ए मैच्योर्ड सेल्स माने तयारी होंती, मैच्योर्ड सेल्स माने तयारी होंती, से छोटो छोटो वैक्यूल ता माने इफ इट इज अ स्मॉल वैक्यूल, राइट, दिस इज अनदर वैक्यूल इन द सेल, it increases in size, and ultimately several vacuoles increase in size, they merge in their boundary and they become one. So that is the way from provacuoles, the large central vacuole of matured cell is formed. Okay. So what this is, what this does? Okay, let me tell you what this vacuole does. So vacuole stores water and help plants to grow fast. This also stores proteins. This also store proteins in the cotyledons. This is a storage site also. It also stores xenobiotics. Many substances. Suppose we are spraying chemicals or any foreign substance that enters the plant body, and plant cannot excrete that. Where it will store? Where it will store? Now it will store there in the vacuole. So vacuole is the dump yard of the cell. Okay. Second is proteins are also stored. Another thing I can tell you, calcium oxalate you will be coming across in practicals. Calcium oxalate crystals, calcium and oxalic acid and calcium, they form a salt, that is calcium oxalate, and these salts take the form of crystals, needle shaped crystals, and these needle shaped crystals called raphides in bunch, they exist in these crystals. मु कौन कहितले एटा मूलरू कहितले डंप यार्ड ऑफ ए सेल. सो कैल्शियम जते बळे ए साइटोप्लाज्म रे अधिका हुए दैट क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम. सेति पई से कैल्शियम को कौन करछि एनर्जी खर्च करके या भीतर को सब जाक ठेली दउछि, and calcium along with oxalic acid is stored inactively in the vacuole. So this is how it works as dump yard of the cell. Lemon stores its lemon, the fruit, in its cells. The citric acid is stored in the vacuole. So vacuole is rightly called the storage, sap storage organelle of the cell. Now besides that, excepting the large central vacuole in the plant cell, we will be discussing little bit about the contractile vacuole. Contractile संकुचित होता vacuole. Imagine एटा कौन ना पारामेशियम एठे सब सिलिया अछि, सेते में paramecium is a ciliated protozoa. It is a protozoa, right? Ciliated, cilia are there. It lives in water bodies, and its surrounding, its boundary, cell's boundary is plasma membrane, and it floats in water. And plasma membrane is permeable. आउ आमे जदि बुझिबा सेल भितर जो प्रोटोप्लाज्म अछि तार कंसंट्रेशन एई बाहर रो कंसंट्रेशन थारु अधिका, तान सॉल्यूट्स आर मोर. तो पानी कौन हुए रेगुलारली सेल भीतर को बाय मीन्स ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस, जहाँ कहते एंडोऑस्मोसिस, ऑस्मोसिस द्वारा सेल भीतर को पारामेशियम भीतर को पानी सदाबले पशि जाए ताल सेल तो फुलिब बिकॉज आज water gets in, it increases in size and it must burst, but to keep the volume of the cell constant it has a vacuolar system called contractile vacuole, and this is branched one. You see, to increase its surface area it is branched. What it does ना को कह collecting ducts, एटा तार माइक्रोग्राफ फोटोग्राफ नि एंड दिस इज ड्राइंग आ एटा होची प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. तो एमाने कोन करछंदी ना एक्सेस वाटर को कलेक्ट करिकी द वैक्यूल इंक्रीजेस इन साइज and when it has a particular amount or volume of water then it goes and fuses with the plasma membrane just like a secretory vesicle and its water content is released to outside. Okay, so excess water that gets into the cell by means of endosmosis, then it is at regular intervals it is expelled. डंगारे जेमिति ड्यू टू लीकेज पानी पशि पशि जाए एवं ताकू आमे केही केही जे बसिछन ता भितरे आमे ताकू एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ताकू खाली करी करी जानती टू कीप इट ड्राई. Similarly, to keep the water volume constant, the contractile vacuoles work. That's why the name contractile, संकुचित होउथिया vacuole, right? तामने एई जगार देख पिले बड़ होईची किंतु से जेतेबेले या पाखर आसी पहुँचुची एटा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करुची तार वॉल्यूम कमी गलानी. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करिया द्वारा ए वाटर गुडा को से केमती ब्लू कलर जिनसटा को बाहर को एक्सपेल करि दउची. नाउ वी विल गो टू another set of organelles. They are called as mitochondria and chloroplast. We have heard of the name mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria आमे पढ़ी, chloroplast ना आमे पढ़ी हरित लवक.